Reports of a bird flu outbreak are coming out of China. An insider working in China's disease monitoring sector told NTD the country is seeing over 100 cases of the infection, known as H5N1. By contrast, Chinese authorities placed the official tally of infections at just one single patient for H5N1. The Chinese regime has a history of covering up data on outbreaks and other disasters. H5N1 can become fatal in humans in some cases. The World Health Organization says the infection's fatality rate stands at over 50%. NTD has concealed the source's identity for safety concerns. The source told NTD that there are at least 100 infections of H5N1 in the country, and that Chinese authorities are building isolation facilities near some highways. The source warns that the virus is spreading widely inside of China and that the situation is almost out of control. The source expects adding public announcements about the outbreak will soon be made. Something to note, China's biggest city, Shanghai, announced it would suspend trading live poultry nationwide starting January 1st. The ban is slated to last 3 years. The source also condemned the regime for what they called a cover-up. The latest report from China's CDC website said it had only detected one case of H5N1 as of the end of November, which came from Vietnam. China CDC did not mention the virus in its report from the first week of 2025. A child in San Francisco had a probable case of H5N1 bird flu. The city's Department of Public Health says the child developed symptoms, including red eyes and a fever. Officials say the child did not need to be hospitalized and has recovered from the virus. Disease detectives don't know how the child was exposed, but they say there's no evidence the infection spread to anyone else. That case comes just as the U.S. recorded its first death due to bird flu last week in Louisiana. And how can the public protect against bird flu, and who